Welcome to the Thesis Toolbox Series, Unlocking Skills and Strategies, which aims to guide and support students through the different parts of their thesis process. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at search strategies using the research cycle and emphasizing the importance of using search terms. So, we're going to have a look at the first 3 steps in the research cycle, which will help you in identifying effective search terms to find the information for your research topic. So firstly, have a clear idea of your topic and ensure it's at the center of your search strategy. Always refer back to your topic. Turn your topic into a question to help you focus on what you wish to find out or seek further information on. It'll help you to focus your search. Identify concepts or areas relevant and associated with your research question to help you focus your search even further. And by identifying these key concepts or areas of research, you'll be able to identify some keywords or search terms that you can use when conducting your search. For the next step, let's think about where you're going to search for information on your topic and finding information of an academic and scholarly standard. We recommend starting with MU Library Search first, as this contains high standard quality academic information. You can then move your search to subject-specific academic databases or journals that contain material specific to your research area or your discipline. Searching within different sources ensures that you are widening your searching scope and looking in all the potential places to find different kinds of information on your topic. We're going to have a look at how you can then create a search string to use when searching within library search or within academic databases. So firstly, we're going to identify our concepts, which is concept 1, concept 2, and concept 3. And these concepts derive from our research question, which is the challenges of individuals with a disability accessing employment. Our first concept, we see different variations of the word challenges that we can use for our search. We can identify different keywords associated with the concept of individuals with a disability. And for concept 3, we are looking at different variations of the word employment. This means that we can use a variety of search terms and keywords when searching for information on our topic. You can then broaden your search using the search string. So in this example, we are using challenges, persons with a disability, and employment. And these search terms allow us to conduct a broader search to find information on our research question. We can then narrow our search further by selecting more specific search terms when looking at this particular research topic. In this example, we're going to look at barriers, physical disability, which is more specific than persons with a disability, and we're going to look at the corporate industry as opposed to the general topic of employment. So moving on to the next step is about finding the right material and searching in those different academic sources. When you're searching, make use of your keywords and relevant search terms that you've identified from your search string. When you find a book or article you think might be useful, scan the abstract for a summary of the paper and the key arguments and findings outlined. This will help you to identify whether this is relevant and will help you answer your research question. Check bibliographies to identify further relevant academic papers. And always ask yourself, does this resource help me to answer my research question? The information you find should always be relevant to your research question or research topic. And for the final step of the research section, let's look at how we can evaluate our results. Did you find what you were looking for? If not, revisit step 1 and potentially reframe your research question. Consider whether it is too broad or maybe too specific. Can you describe what you're looking for differently? Revisit step 3 to ensure you are using relevant search terms. Are the search terms you are using too narrow, maybe too specific, or too broad and too general? And revisit step 4, ensure you are looking in the right place and using the correct sources. So does this database or journal contain the information that I'm looking for? And where else can I find information on my topic? Lastly, you can make use of our worksheet, which helps you to identify a variety of keywords and search terms that will help you construct your very own and effective search string for finding information on your research topic. Thank you for listening to our Thesis Toolbox series, Unlocking Skills and Strategies with a specific focus on search strategies. Please check out more of our tutorials in this series.